What's up, traders? 3 trades today, 2 stocks, BBY, MU. Let's get to it. Hey traders, real quick, I just wanted to let you all know that we now have a Discord channel. It's really just kind of a hangout. I have a lot of things going on. It took me a little while to get it set up, but it is now set up and ready to go. I'll leave a link in the description down below. Here's the live trades. Right, we got MU up here. Now she's been on and off the scanner here. A little bit higher price stock. We're going to go ahead and start here. We actually got lucky there. We got 54. We thought we were getting in for the break of 50, going back under, but she decided to hold up, and she's actually trying to continue a little bit here. All right, now we're getting that 50 break. All right, so we can get under 40, okay. I look to just take half here. That level 2 was kind of messed up there for a second. Let's put in an order for 50 shares at 35, see if we can get those filled. And we don't really want this to get back above 50. See if we can get one way or the other. We're going to cover half of these, either at 50 or hopefully at 35. Hopefully we can get that breakdown. Here we go, 36, 35. There we go. We got those out. So now we got 50 remaining. Let's see what we can do with the rest of these. See if we can continue down there towards VWAP, which is around 43. All right, we're coming back up towards 50. It's looking like she wants to try to continue again. All right, we're going to take half here. Just to reduce risk, we'll look to cut the other half at high of day if she gets there. If she wants to reject 50 here, then we'll see if we can get these to continue down to 43. I'm not really sure what's going on here. My chart is not reacting. The bid's going up, but the ask is not. All right, we just got stopped out there at our stop of 63. So I'm assuming something is wrong with the data here. All right, so we pulled BBY up here a little bit late. She actually had a pullback here. We're just kind of feeling out what she wants to do as far as possibly double topping. It would be nice to try to get in over 50 here, maybe a little bit of a fake out. She is really extended. Put an order in here at 45 just to we're gonna go ahead and just start it here. We got 41. I'll take that. Of course she jumps up right after that. That's okay. 4 cents on something that's moving like this isn't a big deal. I really just wanted to get in there, and we'll look to add if we get a move towards 72. Really just kind of looking for a scalp play here. See if we can get back down there towards 71. This thing is pretty extended. All right, let's try to put an order in real quick right above the bid here at 95. See if we can get out of this. Just need that one person to kind of fill it. Thing is, if the bid starts getting hit, we probably could have got more out of this, but yep, as you can see, look at that thing get shoved down. Yep, there it is. It's okay. We'll be happy with that. Just a nice little quick scalp there on BBY. So we got MU back up here. As you can see, our cut from earlier was a pretty awesome one. We're kind of watching what she wants to do here at high of day. Now, the old me probably would have still been fighting this thing, but instead we cut it, got out, went and made some money on BBY, and now we're back. See if we can make some more money on MU here. All right, we're going to start here, 68. Just kind of felt like she wanted to fake out, and of course, as usual, she shoots up right after we get in. It's okay. We'd be looking to add right under 45, just looking for this thing to kind of be a little bit of a fake out. Going high a day, because this thing is super extended right now. VWAP is all the way down there towards 43.50. It would be nice to try to let some of these shares ride back down. So hopefully we can find the top here and do our best at riding them down. All right, looks like we're going to try to continue. See if we can get an order up there at 95. All right, we're going to put this in as we're getting there. Okay, we got that. If she wants to get over 45, I'd like to see something around 45.15. We'd smash it again. And this thing is just really extended. I really like this play. She had that little consolidation there for 4 minutes or so, but I mean, she did not have a real pullback. Okay, here we go through 45. Not the pop I was hoping for. I mean, it's a good sign overall that she's showing some weakness here. Okay, here we're going to try again. Got to 08. Yeah, I think we're going to just get this thing shoved down. Had our ad there at 95. Definitely don't want to just keep adding to this in the same area. If we can get up to 15, we'll look to go ahead and smash it one more time, but it does not look like she wants to do it. Try one more time. Here we go, 608. Can't get past 08 there. Maybe one more time. No, she's getting shoved down. Okay. Coming back down. We're right at our average here of 81. Trying to be patient. Would like to get under 80 to take at least our first half off here to get down on share size a little bit. Here we go. And she shot right back up. All right, we're going to take it there. We actually got 76, so that's good. And we're going to see what we can do with these last 100, see if we can get down there towards VWAP a little bit. This thing is just super extended. Got an order in down here 63, but 70 seems to be holding it up a bit. All right, we broke through for a second there. Keeps trying. We're going to take half there. Just not liking, there's a big order there at 70. It got eaten through. Okay, so I still didn't get down to 63, but we could have got a little bit more out of that. No big deal. So we got 50 left. We'll see what we can do with those. So we're trying to get that 50 break. We got our shares down there at 43. I was looking to take half, but I feel like I might just take the whole thing if we can get there. I'm just going to take half again at 48. Again, I thought the pop through 50 would have been a lot bigger. So we'll see if we can still get these last 25 shares to kind of roll down there towards VWAP, down there towards 44. But this thing just feels like it's being held up a little bit. So just want to be careful. As you can see, it touched 43 there, but probably wouldn't have got filled, which would have been frustrating. So we kind of have a mental stop here at 79. I actually almost put it in at 79, but we're just going to sit here and watch it. It's looking like this thing is trying to climb after it made a nice little pullback here. So we're just going to take it just to be safe. No reason to let it go up to our stop at 79 when it ultimately seems like it's going to get there. All right, traders, so that was my trades on MU and BBY. Let's just scroll in and kind of go over how they worked out. We had a nice little move, went through high of day, got a little extended, pretty much top ticked this thing. Tried to ride it all the way down to VWAP, but we started to realize that that's not what she wanted to do. So we ended up kind of taking half to reduce risk, and then we cut the other half at high of day from half of the half, because we had took half here and then took half of that and then half again. So then we went to BBY, made that trade, and kind of came back and saw this thing just kept extending. So we decided to kind of see what she wanted to do. It seemed like she was kind of doing a little bit of a fake out as she was struggling here at high of day. So we decided to jump in. She decided to keep going. Got to add in there close to 45. She went through 45 for a second. We were looking to add if she got a little bit higher, but she never did. She came down, took half off right under our average. And we took half off again here and then another half. And the mistake was we didn't let these ride. Really need to start working on this. As you can see, if we would have just set our stop at high of day for the leftovers, could have made a decent amount on the remaining there. But unfortunately, we need to work on that a little bit. That's always been a problem of ours because we always tend to just want to get out. But if we're down to 25 shares, which was technically just kind of scraps at that point, it can't really hurt us if it would have went high of day. Would have took a little bit away, but nothing crazy. And after that, looking at the risk, I guess you could say, it was like 20 cents versus what we could have got, which was over a point. Yeah, we really need to kind of start working on that a little bit. BBY, this was just a quick little scout play. I didn't really like, it wasn't super extended, so when we got in, she made a nice little dip, and so we just took it. Just kind of didn't feel like she wanted to really give us more. So as you can see, I took it, and then she did give us a little bit more, but then she decided to climb. And yeah, she's kind of faded the rest of the day, but wasn't really looking to fight this one, especially being a higher price stock, and the range on this thing was pretty crazy too. And the spread wasn't that great when we were playing it as well. So just happy with the day. Can't be too upset. We ended up right at our daily goal of $52, and on to the next day, right? So like and subscribe, guys, if you haven't already. Always appreciate the support. Any questions or comments, leave those down below, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Peace!